Hello everyone, welcome to the Pepcoding. Today we are going to solve a question, the state of Wakanda first. So before solving the question, let's understand the question first. So what this question says is, there are many monuments present in the state of Wakanda and many visitors come there to visit these monuments. So there is a specified path to visit these monuments and that path is stored in a 2D matrix. So let me draw a 2D matrix first. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, and 4 4. So the normal part to visit these monuments are from left to right. And when the monuments end, we again come to the left and again visit from left to right. This is the normal part to visit these monuments. Thus, one day what happens? A certain visitor came there and he want to visit these monuments on a different path. What path he wants? Let me erase this path because this is no use to us right now. Then I will tell you what path he wants to visit. Okay, this is done. The new visitor he visits to path. He visits to the he wants to visit these monuments in this path. Like he want to start from this point, then he wants to go down and visit all the monuments that are present. And when he reach at the end, he will take a right turn, come to this monument, visit this, and start going upside until no monuments are left upside. After that, he take a right turn and start going down again, and he will visit all the monuments that are present until no monuments are left downside. After reaching end point, again he will take a right turn and start moving upside. In this way, he will visit all the monuments. This is the path that he wants to follow. So what will the expected output? Like what will the output? What will be the path? So let's write down the expected output. Okay. So first of all, he will visit 1 1, then 2 1, after that 3 1, after that 4 1, after that 4 2, after that 3 2, after that 2 2, then 1 2, then 1 3, then 2 3, then 3 3, after that 4 3, after that 4 4, then 3 4, after that 2 4, and then at last 1 4. And here the journey ends. Okay, so what approach we are getting here? Make a relation between these traversing to these monuments. So first of all, let me plot the number of rows and columns. So 0th column, first, second, and third. 0th row, first, second, and third. Okay, so what we see here, columns are increasing every time. Like this is the 0th column, then 1, then 2, then 3. In this traversal, columns are increasing every time. So we can simply use a for loop for column. Okay, it will simply increase. But what is happening with the rows? Just look for this column. When the column is 0, rows are increasing from 0, 1, 2, 3. And when the row is 1, sorry, when the column is 1, when the column is 1, rows are decreasing from 3 to 1, 0. The rows are decreasing. Again, when the column is 2, the rows are increasing. When the column is 2, rows are increasing from 0, 1, 2, 3. After that, in the third column, what is happening? The rows are decreasing again from third to first and 0. Okay, so what relation we get here? Here we can see that when the columns are even, the rows are increasing, and when the columns are odd, the rows are decreasing. So this is the relation that we find here traversing these paths. Okay, so let's go on the editor and write some code. So first of all, let's see what input we have. Here we have nm, the size of the matrix. Okay, so first of all, we have to define a scanner. Okay, then we'll take input, then one more for the number of columns. This is done. Now we have to define an array. We store the path. Then we'll take the value for our column, and then we will traverse to the rows for taking the values. Okay, and here we will take the input. Okay, now we have the input, we have a 2D array. Now we have to traverse on that. So first of all, we have to run a for loop to visit the columns. So here, for loop, the column will run normally. It is increasing every time. But what for the rows? When the when the column is even, the rows are increasing, and when column is odd, the rows are decreasing. So we will define a condition here before going to the rows. If the column is even, we will do something, else we will do something. Okay, so when the column was even, the rows were increasing. So for that, we will run this for loop in an increasing manner. Here we will print the number. This is done. What for the else part? What for the odd columns? Here we also run a for loop to traverse on the rows. Okay, here we have a mistake. And one, and this time I will run until I is greater than or equal to 0, and every time I will be decrease, because in the odd column, when the column was odd, every time the rows were decreasing. For this, dot print okay, this is done. Now let's run this code and see what happens. Okay, this is accepted. Now let's submit it. We need login. Yeah, this is the code. This is done. Now let's run it. Okay, let's submit it. Yep, it's accepted. So thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.